Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can post jobs on Indeed. Now, I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So, if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to a web browser and just search for Indeed.com. and then log into your account. Then you'll be in this particular platform. Now over here you'll be having a option which says employers post a job. Just go over here and now you'll be redirected into this particular platform. Now over here there are two options: to find a job or to post a job. So just go with the post a job. It's gonna take some time, I guess. Just have some patience. So over here, firstly you need to create an employer account. So firstly just have a company name. So once you fill, now you'll be having this as a platform, add job basics. So firstly what you need to do is you need to choose your company industry, your job title, and then number of people to hire for this job and job location type, and then just press on continue. Then you'll be able to post a job in Indeed. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.